the in-bed audio on the Ridgeline, an often overlooked feature, partially because you do have to pony up, get some of the more premium models to get it. But you can see it's coming right through the inside, just the infotainment system. The sides of the bed are actually vibrating and making sound. They're kind of acting as speakers, so there's no speaker grills, totally waterproof and everything. But you can see it gets quite loud. I can turn it all the way up here. And I can step pretty far away from the truck. And you hear the sound, you hear the music. It's a little boomy, but for this sort of setting, I think that's kind of what you'd want. Even still sounds good. Closing the tailgate, pretty much no difference. Pretty nifty. Gives you something to do while loading up side-by-sides.